Yo, new trailer today. So I'm back at it with another banger, guys. The last video I made, guys, was the Hyper Royales. I got a win on those. You know, the sneaker guys for my prayers. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. All love. But today, guys, again, I'm gonna show you guys how to install your soul shields onto your sneakers. But this time, they're icy. So you really want to get these for these shoes, and they're the Legend Blue 11s, the lows. So give it a try. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure to follow me at Ginger Paisa on my main account. Also go follow my friend Joksans 1999 for good vibes only, and follow the channel 420 for new content, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into the process. Let's get it.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
Okay, guys, we have our icy shoes right here. Low top Legend Blues right here, guys. Really nice shoe. And then we got the left and the right sole protector right here. And we also got our blow dryer. So this is all the equipment we want. And to get these sole protectors that you guys want, you can get them at Sole Protectors, basically. This website right here. Zoom into this right here real quick. www.soleprotector.com. There we go, guys. See that real quick. And perfect. Okay, so the first step is going to be we take this off. But first, let me remove one shoe, and I'm gonna do this first shoe first. Let's get it. So over here, I have this ready over here, and just do this real quick. Gotta be a little bit aggressive with it so it actually comes out. There we go. I'm hoping it's for this one. Yeah, the right one. If not, just change shoes. Yep, it's this one. Perfect. Alright. Alright, guys. First step to it is that it's a little bit harder, but it's going to stick onto the shoe way better if you first blow dry this onto it and heat it up a bit. Not too hot, so it won't stick onto your finger too much. So let's get it. Heat it up a bit. Let's do this for like 40 seconds only, not too much. And that's good right there. Next step is place it onto the shoe. So grab my shoe over here, the Legend Blue, you know, dope shoe. Grab my sole protector and try to affix it onto there best way possible. Just like that. It's on already. So just move it over here a little bit. A little bit more. Stick it and unstick it at the same time. There we go. And it's actually coming out there good. Not gonna lie. Oh yeah. And I think this is perfect, not gonna lie. Look at that. How symmetrical it looks and how good I did it, nice and straight. Just move it over here a little bit more. There we go, now that's perfect. And next step, as long as it's on the shoe, just flat it down a little bit. Kind of mold it to the sides a bit. Mold it. And then grab your blow dryer and blow dry the sides and start sticking and molding it to the side of the shoe. Let's get it. Just flattening it out now. Just mold it to the sides now. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Oh yeah. Well guys, this is how you do it. I molded it on there. And now I'm going to show you both of the shoes better, and let's get it. Okay guys, we got the Legend Blue 11s right here, Lowe's. I put on the sole protector, as you can see. Looks pretty different, it looks kind of shiny. Due to that, it's because that's like the grip tape it has underneath it. Like basically a clear grip tape, so you won't fall. And protect your soles at the bottom, because nice icy blue. Look at that guys, oh yeah. Here's one of the shoes. You can see it right there because of the black underneath it on the sole. It looks like shiny. Oh yeah. And look at this one over here too. Did it perfect. And this is the final product guys. Oh yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today's video guys. I taught you how to put your sole protectors on your Legend Blue 11s, as you can see right here. The final product looks really nice. Zoom in my friend real quick. Show them how it looks. Oh yeah, looks really nice. Look at that. And before we go guys, make sure to follow me on my main account at Ginger Paisa on my Instagram. Also follow Joksans 1999 for good vibes only, and go follow me at New Channel 420 for new content guys. Go NutriFam, all love.